What's going on, guys? Crypto Renegade here. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a new project named Akash Network. I will try to explain as much as I can about this project in the easiest way possible, so those of you who do not understand what I'm talking about can better understand.
Finally! Someone who understands!
For those of you who aren't familiar with this particular network yet, today we're going to be breaking down everything you should know about it. So let's dive right in. But before I jump into the content, I just updated my new free ebook on the 7 best ways to secure your crypto, updated for 2021. 100% free. Check it out in the description. It's also pinned in the comments, and let's get started. Okay, let's start from the beginning. Hardware, crypto, I might have some experience with this. The crypto world is ever evolving, and it was a must that someone could come along and make a connection between those that can handle data processing and those that need to use data. That is what Akash does in simple words. Now, let's dive deeper together and see this in actual practice. So what is Akash? Akash is a secure, transparent, and decentralized cloud computing marketplace that connects those who need computing resources with those that have the computing capacity to lease. Akash, also called Akash DeCloud, consists of two main components, the network and the platform. The Akash Network is an on-chain decentralized marketplace for leasing computing resources, while the Akash Platform is an off-chain deployment platform used for hosting and managing workloads and a set of cloud management services that leverage Kubernetes to run workloads. The Akash Network is a Tendermint-based blockchain application built on Cosmos SDK. Akash acts as a super cloud platform, providing a unified layer above all providers on the marketplace so as to present clients with a single platform, regardless of which particular provider they're actually using. Clients use Akash because of the cost advantage, usability, flexibility to move between cloud providers, and the performance benefits of global deployments. Providers use Akash because it allows them to earn revenue from either dedicated or temporarily unused capacity.
Is it true that if you don't use it, you lose it?
Is that a serious question?
No, it wasn't.
The foundational design objective of the Akash network is to maintain a low barrier to entry for providers, while at the same time ensuring that clients can trust the resources that the platform offers them. To achieve this, the system requires a publicly verifiable record of transactions within the network. To that end, the Akash network is implemented using blockchain technology as a means of achieving consensus on the veracity of a distributed database. So what does Akash solve? Akash is first and foremost a platform that allows clients to procure resources from providers. This is enabled by a blockchain-powered distributed exchange where clients post their desired resources for providers to bid on. Sounds a lot like AWS.
The bidding will begin at 100,000.
The currency of this marketplace is a digital token, the AKT, which is based obviously on the blockchain. Akash is a cloud platform for real-world apps. The requirements of such applications include many workloads deployed across a number of data centers, connectivity restrictions which prevent unwanted access to workloads, self-managed so that operators do not need to constantly tend to deployments. So to support running workloads on procured resources, Akash includes a peer-to-peer protocol for distributing workloads and deployment configuration to and between the client's providers. Workloads in Akash are defined as Docker containers. Docker containers allow for highly isolated and configurable execution environments and are already part of many cloud-based deployments today. What is the network marketplace of this project, and how are the tokenomics behind this coin? And lastly, what should we expect from this project in the near future? I'm about to answer that right here, right now. Let's now see the marketplace for Akash Network, as you can see here. The Akash Network Marketplace. The Akash Network Marketplace acts as a super cloud platform that provides a unified layer above all providers on their marketplace or network to ensure clients have a single cloud platform regardless of which particular provider they may be using. People use the Akash network rather than traditional cloud computing services because of its usability, flexibility to move between providers, performance, benefits, and overall cost advantage. Cloud providers use Akash mainly because it allows them to earn profits from either dedicated or temporarily unused capacity. The computing unit, or CPU, is leased as a container unit of software packages that the code depends on to ensure the application runs quickly and reliably from one environment to the other. Interestingly, anyone with a computer or server can slice its resources into container units using a virtualization process. All marketplace transactions take place on the Akash blockchain. To lease a container, the developer requests a deployment by specifying the type of units and the amount that they need. An order is then created in the order book after approval by a validator. The provider that matches all requirements then places a bid, and the provider that bids the lowest amount on that order wins. For every successful lease, a portion of the lease amount is paid to the blockchain.
Blockchain is changing and revolutionizing the security of the financial industry out there.
The Akash specific blockchain. The vision of Akash Cloud is a permissionless, sovereign, and open cloud on which builders of the internet have more considerable freedom to create what they want. Through the containing technology mentioned in the previous paragraph and unique staking model that we will discuss a bit further down in this video, Akash has become a faster, more efficient, and low-cost cloud built for DeFi, DApps, and even high-growth companies. Akash competes at a 10x lower rate than the market standard like AWS. The serverless computing platform is compatible with all cloud providers and applications that run on the cloud, making it easy to have Akash integrated with a company's existing technology stack. According to the network itself, as the world's first decentralized cloud computing marketplace, Akash leverages 80% of underutilized cloud capacity in 8.4 million data centers. Akash enables anyone to buy and sell cloud computing. So the Akash network blockchain provides a layer of trust in an otherwise decentralized and trustless environment. The blockchain earns its trust through an open and transparent platform. Data on the chain is an immutable and public record of all transactions, including each provider's fulfillment history. Moreover, Akash is also politically decentralized. No single entity controls the network, and no intermediary facilitates transaction. That means that there is no one incentivized to control or extract revenue from the network. Let's shift to the Akash Tokenomics, or AKT. Core to the Akash network is a token economic model that uses a native asset called Akash token, or AKT, to solve the volatility issues and ensures financial security of the platform's public chain. The AKT has three main functions: to resolve, reward, and reserve. Furthermore, the blockchain relies on a set of validators to vote on proposals. Each proposal is weighed by the voting power, which is the total tokens they stake and total tokens bonded in that pool. The AKT currently stands at a price of $2.58, $184 million market cap, and 71 million coins circulating. It's a very smooth experience compared to other blockchain cloud products. Akash is a much more advanced as what you deploy on it, and goes way beyond simple storage. Possibilities are limitless, and the serverless approach of even Akash makers' deployments get more efficient.
Mustn't be afraid to dream a little bigger, darling.
For a few ideas, including guides of what you can deploy, have a look through the awesome Akash network here. It also includes DApps such as PancakeSwap, WordPress, and even blockchain nodes. Akash nodes can run on Akash DeCloud. Pretty sweet. We believe that Akash could be a cornerstone to a more decentralized web in the future, as Akash builders will be using a very global and diverse set of servers, as opposed to the traditional players from the cloud oligopoly. The 2021 price prediction for AKT is probably around $7.25, which is a pretty good return from now. If you'd like to know more about where you can buy AKT, the top exchanges trading for this network are currently Gate.io, Digifinex, Bitmark, bhex, and BitThumb Global. However, you can also use marketplaces such as local Bitcoins to get your skin in the game, and to finish the rest of the steps by transferring your Bitcoin to a respective altcoin exchanges or DEX. With all that being said, that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know your opinions on this in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video in the top right corner here on Injective Protocol. See you guys in that video right now. Crypto Renegade out.